Hello friends, welcome to BNXpert with a new tool. In this class, we are going to learn about crop tool. This tool trims away the unnecessary part of an image. It allows you to select an area of a picture and removes the area outside the selection. Let's crop this Formula One car in this image. Click and drag to select the necessary part. You can resize the crop box by dragging the crop handles outside or inside. When you click and drag inside the selection area, it moves the picture. You can see it is inside the selection and it moves the picture. If you click and drag outside the selection, it rotates the picture. After all the adjustment, press Enter key. You can see the area outside the selection are removed. In crop tool, by default the ratio option is selected here. It allows you to select in any ratio like this. Also, you can type the amount for the new ratio. Let me type here 5 as width and 3 as height. See, the dimension of the crop box changes to 5:3 ratio. Now, when you resize, it will maintain the aspect ratio in 5:3. In case you want to swap the width and height, click here. You can see the ratio changes to 3:5. If you want to clear these aspect ratio values, click the clear button here. See, the width and height ratio are cleared from the text box. There are some more options here. For example, if I select original ratio, it will crop the image with the original ratio of the width and height of the image. When we resize the crop area, it will not change its original proportion. There is another option, square. This option allows to crop the image in a square shape. You can use it to create a profile picture, DP for your Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. The next option is straighten. Let's understand this tool with an example. You can see the Formula One car does not look straight. Select the straighten option. I am going to click and drag from one wheel to another to make a line, as you can see. As you release the mouse, it will give you a straight picture. Press Enter key. You can see the result. The next option is delete cropped pixels. When you crop the image, it doesn't mean that the outside area are completely deleted. When you again click and drag with crop tool, you can see those pixels are still there. We can get them again by dragging the crop handle outside. In case you want them to be deleted permanently, then check on the delete cropped pixels option here. Now crop a part of the image. Enter. Again click and drag with crop tool. This time you cannot see those pixels. When you drag the crop handle outside, you will get the blank area instead of the original image. Now we shall learn a very interesting part of this tool. It is not necessary that we shall use this tool only to reduce the canvas size. We can also use it to increase the image or canvas. Suppose I want some more area at the top of this picture. Then click and drag upward. As you press enter key, you'll get this extra blank area. Now, suppose you want the same part of the image to be extended instead of this blank area. Photoshop will do it for you. But you have to extend it to a very little amount, like this. Turn on Content Aware option right here. Press enter key. You can see Photoshop extended that area itself. But remember, it may not be so perfect in some pictures. Next, we have another tool called Perspective Crop Tool. Suppose you want the picture of this book only, which is in perspective view. The Perspective Crop Tool will help you in this. You just have to click at the corners like this. Press enter key. You can see it gives you a straight picture. Another thing I want to tell you, during the cropping process, if you want to get out of this, then press escape key, or you can click on the cancel button here. If you want to reset the crop box or crop settings without getting out of it, then click this reset button. If you are done with the crop settings, click here to commit the crop operation.